Hey guys, welcome to Luxury Car Farm channel today. Please like, comment, and if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Let's dive straight into today's video. The 2022 Mercedes-Benz S-class is as much a personal limo for the ultra-wealthy as it is a rolling showcase of the company's latest tech. Not only does Mercedes' iconic sedan have an interior that's lined with the finest materials, but it also features huge OLED screens on the dashboard as well as a 3D-capable display and navigation with augmented reality. Along with standard all-wheel drive, the S-Class's effortless acceleration comes from a 429 HP straight-six S500 or a 496 HP V8 S580. Driving either model isn't about excitement, it's about isolation and relaxation, which is why the best seats are in the back. Still, this huge barge is surprisingly nimble around curves and in traffic, especially with the optional rear axle steering. Regardless of the occasion, the 2022 S-Class rises to it, which is why we named it to our 2022's choice list. What's new for 2022? The 2022 S-Class lineup receives a handful of new additions. Most notably, the company's e-active body control is now available. This fully active suspension system automatically adjusts damping and level control for each individual wheel to maximize ride quality and vehicle stability. Also newly available is the MBUX Interior Assist, which essentially recognizes gestures as well as hand movements towards the touchscreen or touchpad and highlights or activates the desired content. The system can also tell the difference between the driver and front seat passenger and store individual preferences. The S-Class comes in new colors too: nautical blue metallic, Kalahari gold, manufacturer cashmere white mango, and manufacturer selenite gray mango. The center console is now offered in metallic black and silver or with black dotted lines. Pricing and which one to buy. S500 $112,150 and while S580 $118,750. Although its starting price is significantly higher than the 2020 model, the new S-Class boasts a host of modernizations and improvements to justify its six-figure price tag. We think the ultimate luxury item is a powerful engine, so we'd pay extra to have the 496 horsepower V8 and the more prestigious S580 trunk-lid barge. What about its engine, transmission, and performance? Mercedes offers the sedan with either a 429 HP turbocharged 3.0-liter inline six-cylinder engine on the S500 or a 496 HP twin-turbo 4.0-liter V8 on the S580. Both powertrains are supplemented by a 48-volt hybrid system and pair with a 9-speed automatic transmission and 4MATIC all-wheel drive. There will also be a plug-in hybrid model that's said to have about 60 miles of all-electric range. We've sampled the gas-powered sedan in its native Germany and on our shows, which showcased its different suspension and steering modes. While every model rides on an air suspension, the e-active body control has a curve function that subtly leans the car into corners. The S-Class can also be equipped with an all-wheel steering system that makes the big-bodied Mack surprisingly easy to maneuver in tight spaces. What about its fuel economy and real-world MPG? The six-cylinder S500 is rated at 21 mpg in the city and 30 mpg on the highway. Stepping up to the V8-powered S580 drops those estimates to 16 mpg in the city and 25 on the highway. We've tested the latter on our 75 miles per hour fuel economy route, which is part of our extensive testing regimen, where it returned an impressive 32 mpg on the highway. If we go for the interior, comfort, and cargo. Inside, the S-Class prioritizes screens, lots of them. The sedan is available with up to 5, including a giant center touchscreen and a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster. The latter works in concert with other technology to create a three-dimensional effect, but thankfully, it can be turned off if you'd prefer the screens have a conventional appearance. There's also an enhanced head-up display that will show navigation directions in augmented reality. Basically, arrows move and turn in real time to supposedly better assist the driver. The build quality and cabin materials live up to Mercedes' upscale standards, and the sedan provides limousine-like accommodations for all passengers, specifically those riding in the back. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you always be the first to receive our videos. See you soon.